Hello everyone, welcome back to English class. Dear students, today we are going to continue lesson number 10, Alien Hand, from the book An Alien Hands. So let's talk about the previous parts, what we have read yet. In Central Bureau, everybody was very excited. According to the report, an unmanned spacecraft was approaching to their planet, and President asked from number 1, 2, and 3 their opinion regarding reaction on spacecraft, means how should they react or behaved as it is approaching. So they all suggested differently, as number 1 advised for action, but 2 was saying to be a passive observer, right? So let's see what happens next. Tilu accompanies his father to the control room. In his excitement, he presses the all important red button on the panel, and the mechanical hand from the alien spacecraft stops working. The mechanical hand is activated again, but it finds no signs of life on that planet. So, it was a red letter day in Tilu's life, the day he was waiting for his father had at last taken him to the control room from where he could see the alien spacecraft on his TV screen. What a funny looking thing, Daddy. What does it contain? Tilu asked. So, dear students, I am reading on page number 71 and 72, right? So, listen carefully. It was a red letter day. Red letter day means historic day, very important day, right? So, it was a very historic type day for Tilu's life, in Tilu's life. Why? Because the day he was waiting for, because he wanted to go into into that area where his father used to do work. So for his father had at last taken him to the control room. So on that day, his father brought him to the control room. It means Tilu went to control room with his father. From here, he could see the alien spacecraft on his TV screen. So, in the control room, there was a big TV screen, and everybody was watching the spacecraft, as well as Tullu was also able to see the alien spacecraft on the TV screen. What a funny looking thing, Daddy. What does it contain? Tillu asked. Then he was asking, means what a funny looking thing, means it was the structure is completely different. So he was asking, what does it contain? What thing is having in the spacecraft. His father shook his head. Can't say for sure. We are only allowed to observe it from far, but we control all its parts and can exercise our power if it is up to any mischief. He pointed to an impressive panel with several colored buttons on it. Tilu looked at them wistfully. So, what happened? His father shaking his head, it means he was giving consent to his words and saying, can't say for sure, means they were not able to say what this spacecraft contained. We are only allowed, means they were allowed to just sit back, okay, and observe what was going on. They cannot react, right? So but we control all its parts and can exercise our power if it is up to any mischief. And according to his father, if this spacecraft would conduct any kind of mischief, any wrong thing, only then we would use our panel, we will use our machines, we will use our power to control this spacecraft. But if it is not doing anything, then we have to just observe it. He pointed to an impressive panel with several colored buttons on it. So before the in front of the TV screen, there is a big panel of buttons, right? Colored buttons were there to control all the things. I think you all have seen all these kind of scenes in the movies or any kind of show. So Tilly looked them very wistfully, very curiously. He was looking all the things. Look, it's up to something, Daddy. Tillu suddenly noted some movement in the spacecraft. Others in the control room saw it too. All eyes were now glued to the screen, right? It's up to something. Means spacecraft landed on the planet, and afterwards it was doing something. There was some movement, and everybody in the control room, including Tilu and his father, they all were looking at the TV screens. All eyes were now glued stick to the screen, means they were not watching here and there, they're just looking at the screen. A mechanical hand was emerging from the spacecraft. It was approaching the surface of the planet. It bent and touched the soil. What was it up to? People crowded towards the screen for a closer look. The telescopic lens of the TV camera zoomed into the tip of the mechanical hand. Right? So, a mechanical hand means a machine was there which was having a shape of hand, right? So a mechanical hand was emerging from the spacecraft, means from the spacecraft a hand was coming out, but it was mechanical. It was approaching the surface of the planet. It was just going to touch the surface of the planet. It bent, right, and touched the soil, means a hand came out from the spacecraft. It was just going to touch the planet, and at last the hand touched the soil. What was it up to? Means everybody was very curious, and what it was going to do, right? If why the hand was coming out. So all the people crowded towards the screen for a closer look, means they all became closer to the TV screen so that they could easily observe what was the hand doing. The telescopic lens of the TV camera zoomed into the tip of the mechanical hand. So does they just zoomed the picture, and they just concentrating on the hand only. So what it was going to do. Tilu was steering the control panel and its attractive buttons. An irresistible desire caught hold of him to press the most prominent of all buttons, the red one. He moved. So what happened? Tilu was doing. He was staring, looking at the control panel, right? And it attractive buttons was attracting him. So what happened? In irresistible desire, I mean uncontrollable desire was there, and he just pressed the red button there. Most prominent of all buttons means very impressive button was there, that is red one. So he just pressed the button. He moved. Then what happened? There was a shrill whistle, and Tilu found himself the center of attention. His father pulled him away roughly and restored the red button to a neutral position, but the damage was done. So as he pressed the button, at the same time there was a shrill whistle, means a different type of sound was there, means something was happened. And obviously Tillu found that everybody was looking at him. Now he was the center of attraction because everybody was turned towards him. And what happened then? His father pulled him away roughly, means snatched him roughly, and again his father again pressed the button and brought into the neutral position it was before. So but the damage was done. As he pressed the button, it caused the damage which was already done. The mechanical hand from the spacecraft ceased to work, right? As we read there that mechanical hand has touched the soil, right? But as he pressed the button, it stopped working. Ceased to work means stopped to work. At a press conference held by NASA, a scientist was briefing the world press, right? As these spacecrafts were sent by NASA, okay, American space agency. Okay, so what happened then? As they was observing all the things, scientists in NASA observing all the things, as a mechanical hand was coming out and it touched the soil, it was done, but it stopped working. Then what was the press release? What they have said? Everything has been going on smoothly with the Viking mission, right? The mission named was Viking. So everything was going smoothly, very nicely. There is a small hitch, a small problem was there. The mechanical hand which was to dig out the Martian soil for examination has developed a malfunction. Means according to them, a mechanical hand which was supposed to just collect the soil of Mars, it was stopped working because of some malfunction, because of some technical error. We don't know the cause, but our technicians are confident they will sort it out. And according to them, they didn't know the reason why it stopped working, but they were confident that their technicians who were working from the earth, right, from the main control room, they will sort out all type of problem, they will solve the problem. And shortly afterwards there was another press release from NASA, and after little break, means after short time, again a press release was there. The mechanical hand is working again. Thanks to the efforts of our technicians, soil samples are being collected and examined. Soon we will know the answer to the question whether there is life on Mars, right? So as his Tilu's father has brought back the button into the neutral position, obviously it started working. So after a few minutes break, NASA has pressed another release, and according to that release, the mechanical hand is working again, and they were thanking to their technicians, and according to them they have collected the soil samples for the examination, and soon after the examination they will come to know that if there is life possible or not on the planet Mars. So life on Mars, of all the planets in our solar system, Mars is the nearest in location and physical condition to our Earth. Everybody knows how many planets are there in our solar system. Find it out. If you don't know, then find it out, right? So the question is, life on Mars means, is it possible or not? So because in the solar system, Mars planet is in the nearest location, and obviously mostly physical conditions are there as per the as similar to the Earth. So the scientists behind the Viking machine were hopeful of finding life on Mars. That's why this mission was people means scientists of these missions were very hopeful. They were hoping for finding the life on Mars, but they were in for a disappointment. After examination, they found nothing. They were very disappointed as there was no life. So the Viking mission found no signs of life on Mars. So after examination, the Martian soil, they found no signs of life on Mars. Okay, so if you want to go on to the space, then go and find the life on Mars. See what happened. NASA has sent spacecrafts to the planet Mars, right? And there, because of some technical error, mechanical hand stopped working, and they went afterwards. It was working smoothly, and yes, it brought back some soil, and they have examined it, done. But as these all things means life on planet on Mars, and there was a Tilu, and they were doing all the things, might be it is it might be it reality, or you can say it is just an imagination. So thank you so much